I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2020 Austin Whaler 380 Realm. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is a full 11-foot 8-inch beam and it has a weight of about 20,300 pounds, boat and engines. We'll start here on the transom. As you see, this boat is equipped with the Quad 300s, the new motors from Mercury, V8s. Great product for us. As we step into the cockpit, you see you've got a great open cockpit, rear bench seat that folds down, your swim ladder stores away. You have large fish boxes, port and starboard. Your dive door here, which your ladder deploys when you're using it. The boat also has a great mechanical room. Give you a quick look below. All your batteries, power steering pumps, onboard charger, your diesel generator. Everything's easy to access. You also have your Seakeeper gyroscopic stabilizer below deck. We'll step up into the helm area. As you move up into the helm, of course you've got air conditioning, which is nice today. You also have a grill, refrigerator below that, sink, wet bar area, nice solid surface countertop. You've got a seat here that does a couple of different functions. You can face forward or back. You can mount your table. At the helm, you see you've got all of your ignition switches, 12-volt switches are all very accessible at the helm, which is really a great feature. You don't have to leave the helm for that. Mercury vessel view display, triple Raymarine displays, Fusion stereo, everything's flat panel, very clean look, digital throttle, and of course joystick piloting. As we take a look at the cabin, when you step down below, you see how nicely appointed the Austin Whaler Realm is. Large V berth, nice solid surface counters, cabinets all around, flat panel TV, really nice head compartment. So great overnight boat. Now we'll move up towards the bow area. Now the 380, one way it differs is you have a door going out to the bow, which closes, opens, latches, and then a really nice door from the bottom that moves up as you close it, and then when you open it, it moves flush, so it's not in the way of your companionway here. As we step all the way forward, the boat of course does have a windlass. You've got JL audio, you've got a nice table that goes down to make this a sun pad. It's actuated here. Big bow seating here, one of the things Whaler's really been known for. Well, we'd love to show you this boat or any boat we have in inventory at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Please give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you.